Right, hi everyone. We've just completed a 6-hour Pass Plus, but we haven't done it in one go. We've done it over a stage of 2 sessions, but mainly the reason we did 3 hours today was so we could cover faster roads, motorways, rural driving and country lanes. Okie doke, I'll pass you over to Stephen, and he's got a nice new Peugeot. And what was the experience like?
No, but it was really good because I was happy we got to do it in my car because it really allowed me to get used to the clutch and everything and how it worked, despite the small steering wheel. And yeah, I'm happy we got to do a longer one as well because it really prepared me for doing a longer driving. You were really good, really calm, especially when I was first going onto the A road.
Yeah, on the A road.
But yeah, you kept me calm. It was really great. You're really good.
Good. I'm fine. I'm a bit shaky. No. But to be fair, we did come across a few idiots, didn't we?
Yeah, a couple of them. People on the road, pulling out on 40-mile-an-hour roads. Ooh. Pulling off the slip road at 30 miles an hour.
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah, he was an old boy, wasn't he? He pulled out in front of you. We were doing 60, and he just sort of pulled on that dual carriageway. But the main thing is you handled it.
Yeah.
And what about those pedestrians?
Yeah. Nearly tripped up into.
I shouldn't laugh.
No.
I shouldn't laugh.
You shouldn't laugh, because I could have gone wrong.
That could have gone completely wrong.
It didn't,
but
so it's fine.
Luckily, I think I've captured it in the clips. But I want to say congratulations to you.
Yep.
You've completed the Pass Plus successfully. I'll go through that with you in a minute.
Yep.
And great little car, safe driving for life. And I think you're going on a little drive later, aren't you?
Yeah, I am.
So how do you feel?
House. Oh, we're good about that.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Well, you did really well. We did town driving. We did rural driving, country lanes. God, they were scary.
Yeah.
And faster roads, 60, 70 mile an hour.
Yep.
And a little bit of the M25 as well.
Yeah. M25
well done. And safe driving for life.
Yeah, safe driving for life.
The road's a bit narrow, so this is where the skill comes in.
40, but it's not very suitable for 40.
No, but you can probably go under 40, but just make sure it's safe. What you feel comfortable with. Remember, it's country lane, so you can get all sorts of hazards. What have we got to watch for?
Everything.
Everything, that's right.
Literally.
There's no pavements.
Yeah.
So it could be pedestrians, horses,
bikers,
cyclists, cars, tractors. There you go, talk of the devil. Good, well done. It's tight, breathe in. Yeah. That's it, good stuff. Good. There's something large coming down, but this bit of the road is actually wider, so it's not too bad here.
Is it?
Yeah.
I feel it.
It's going to get worse. This is your rural country lane drive.
Yeah.
If it was night time, how would you warn other vehicles?
Your lights.
Yeah, flash your lights.
Yeah.
You can even use your horn as in especially if it's a blind BC.
Cyclist.
Exactly. So we have to be very, very careful here. We need to make sure that we do go around them, we go around them with enough room and it's safe.
Yeah.
Blimey.
Yeah, he came.
God, Jesus, he was shifting a bit, wasn't he? Right, have a little look. That's it. If you're happy with that, that's good. Can you see clearly? Yep. Away we go. Gives me plenty of room. That's great. Well done.
I've never had to floor it before.
Floor this baby. Go on. That's it.
Go on.
Go on. That's it. There you go. Oh. What CC is it?
It's 1.4 litre.
1.4 is not bad. That's quite nifty, actually.
Yeah, for a stock car.
That's pretty good going.
I can't get a 1.6 just because, like, I could.
Insurance.
Yeah, insurance-wise, it's way too much.
I think a nice GTI next to a nice M2 for you. That would be nice, wouldn't it?
Are you paying?
No way. Home of Winston Churchill, and there he is over there. Where is he? Used to be a statue over there somewhere. There we go, going through Westwickham, heading towards Sevenoaks, and we're going to head towards the A21.
Yep.
Roadworks. No matter what area you're in, what borough you're in, there's roadworks, isn't there?
It always is. I don't know why.
It's an absolute joke. It really is. Look at the signs. We are going to follow the signs that say Hastings, A21.
A20.
Got that one? A21, yeah?
Right.
Good stuff. And we're going to join the A21.
Right light here though.
Yeah. It's further on, yeah. And on the A21. Tunbridge Hastings, okay?
Yep.
So get yourself over to the right, make sure it's safe. Remember to use those mirrors. We're going to join a much faster road shortly, alright? So 60 there, great stuff. 60 spot on. But if you feel like you want to do 70, go for it, as long as it's safe, okay? Road can be notorious. There's a lot of problems on this road sometimes.
Is there?
Accidents, delays, all sorts. But luckily, so far, touch wood, it's clear.
Yeah. That'd be horrible if we get stuck in traffic.
Oh, that's all we need. Imagine that. A 3-hour pass plus lesson.
2 hours of it is we're sitting in traffic.
You passed.
Brilliant. I learned traffic control.
Distance between the vehicle in front, okie doke, and you're in 5th gear, and you're sitting on 63, 64 mile an hour, which is fine. Any idea what this, if you're doing 70 miles an hour, any idea what the distance would be between the vehicle in front?
It's minimum 2 seconds, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it, yeah. So basically, I mean, if we look at feet, it'll be about 315 feet in normal conditions. So let's hit that 70. Beautiful, look at that. That is your speed limit for motorways and certain faster roads. Good. Now we follow the signs to Hastings, although we're not going to Hastings. We haven't got time to go to the beach.
Oh, aren't you sure?
I'm sorry about that. Well, unless you want to pay extra, only kidding. But we'll certainly go for a good few miles more. How you feeling? Good?
Yeah, good so far.
Face it, we've met a few plonkers today, haven't
Yeah.
we? We had one guy pull out in
Definitely.
front of you while we're doing 60 miles an hour, and another plonker reversing out onto a country lane. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
And we were speaking about that earlier, weren't we?
Yeah.
Welcome to driving. Welcome to the real world, mate.
It's all great.
Yep. That's one of them was an old codger, wasn't he?
Yeah. Old dude.
Yeah, old dude. Yeah. Maybe they should retest them after 70 then.
They probably should, to be fair.
I think they should, to be fair. Yeah, I think.
Like,
Yeah, when you get to 70,
it's just unsafe. It's just physically
yeah,
unsafe.
I think you need to be checked. And maybe they should check maybe every 10 years everyone. It's a good point, isn't it? That is
People
dangerous.
walking on the road.
That is dangerous.
Horrible.
Something comes up there really fast.
Yeah,
God.
big truck comes.
Yeah,
They'll just swerve into our lane.
And
Just dodge them.
doesn't see them because they're all dressed in grey, blending with the road.
Not like wearing like bright yellow vests or anything.
No, exactly. Risky. That's the joys of country motoring. See, rural driving.
Yeah.
That's what you got to watch. No pavements. No street lights. What's the speed limit here?
50, yeah.
Good, let's go. What does signs mean?
Farm traffic.
There you go. Exactly.
Shit.
Country, rural. Who knows what you can come across. Seven Oaks, London. Going to cross this very, very busy dual carriageway now quicker. So you've got to make sure that your judgment is good, because they're only coming one way this side, but they're coming fast. And then we can get into the middle, and then wait there.
Yeah.
And then we have to watch the opposite way, where vehicles are still coming up quite slightly. Let's see what this baby can do. Go on in, that's second. Good, come on, that's it. Put your foot down a bit. Oh, what gear you in?
The wrong one.
That's it, there you go, it's better. Go on, that's it. That's the one. It's very important to be able to come out progressively and quickly and safely.
Yeah,
Okay, that's fine. Job done, but
Oh, it's a bit further on, isn't
a bit further down, weren't they?
it? They might have walked up a little bit though.
Let's hope they're alive. I shouldn't say. But walking on a road like this, I wouldn't risk it. You know, you're coming down at some 50, 60 mile an hour.
Yeah.
You know, if you don't see them, they're in trouble. I think they're a bit further down, weren't they?
Yeah, they were.
Yeah.
They might not even be here anymore.
No, there might be. You might see their legs sticking out the bushes. I'm only kidding.
You're going to get videos.
That's right, yeah. Road like this, it's safer to walk this way, where you see the traffic coming, rather than walking where they're coming behind you, because you wouldn't have a clue, would you?
Yeah, I guess they're doing the safer option, but still like
still a risky one, yeah. I think they were down here somewhere, you know. I'm sure they were.
Yeah, it was down this road.
Let's hope that they've got somewhere safely. Plus, you get cyclists you've got to watch out for, because the road's not that wide.
It's not a massive road.
Yep.
That's fine.
Bloody, there they are! Oh my god! Oh, he nearly went. I was just like that. Oh dear!
You like tripped into the road then, Holden.
Oh my god, that's what we needed. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. But at least they were walking sort of on the verge there, on the edge. So
yeah, they're not on the road anymore.
That was risky.
The fact he tripped, really.
Yeah, he tripped just as you were just going. Oh,
just as I was passing, that could not have been worse.
That could, yeah. Imagine if it had bounced onto the road.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Tripped, fell on the road.
Bang. So, a little village. This will be 30 mile an hour or less. It's a nice little place, isn't it?
Yeah, that's lovely. Where is this?
Although you've taken the wrong turning, we don't mind. We've got time. It's all part of the practice. This is really nice.
It's a nice place.
Yeah. Don't quite know where we are, but we'll get back onto the A21 hopefully. So we will go London, Tunbridge Wells, A21. We're back en route, folks. There you go. Remember, don't go up in fifth gear.
No.
I'll do that again. There we go, good. London, A21. Yeah, second one, yeah. Great stuff.
This one's one after.
So after a couple of years of driving, doing the pass class, gaining experience, do you fancy something sporty?
Yeah, I can do that.
Nice M2, M4?
It'd be nice.
Yeah.
Got the money for it.
That's what I'm sure. Start saving.
Yeah.
You know, or you could even go, you win the lottery.
But with the lottery,
Yeah.
I get something that even sporty.
Yeah. What do you fancy? On the left here, you will see some cars. Maybe you can treat yourself to one of these. Look at those Ferraris. Very nice. Straight on all the way. Yeah. We're going on the M25 for a short period now. Good stuff. I'm going to join the motorway, okay?
Yeah, I'm good here.
Same rules apply. 70 mile an hour, but there's more lanes. Good. Accelerate. Good. Trying to match the speed of traffic. Happy with that?
Yep.
Well done. Good. Just stay as you are. Those cars will merge with you. You've got noisy wipers. Very noisy wipers. Yeah, maybe it's worth replacing the blades. Yeah. But they're clearing the screen okay. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
Just a little bit noisy. That's it. Just keep it steady. You keep it ground. Just follow the sat nav to Westwickham. It'll tell you. But shortly, if you want to get past this car ahead of you, and then you can probably better to get into the left lane, I think. So it's always best to drive in the left lane when possible, and then use the other lanes for overtaking. So remember to check your mirrors, give yourself plenty of room, and move back into the left. Yeah, great stuff. Good. This is basically a 3-lane motorway now, okay? 70 mile an hour speed limit. How do you feel about the motorway? Comfortable?
Yeah, a lot better now.
Great stuff, yeah? Basically just keeping the left when possible and using other lanes to overtake. So what do you got to do? When it's busy like this, just make sure you keep your distance. Very, very important.
841 Seven Oaks Road.
The wipers are quiet now.
Yeah, they've done what happened.
There you go.
They went from really loud to really quiet.
They've scored, yeah.
Maybe they're just helping you.
They just needed it. Make sure you choose the right lane to where you're going. That's good. Because you've spent quite a lot of time on the faster roads now, haven't you? And those wipers have gone lovely and quiet.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. They really went from really loud before.
Hi folks. Anyway, Pass Plus, I'd highly recommend it. Ideally, it's for the younger driver between the sort of 17, 21 or 25 even. But if you're anxious, a bit nervous, inexperienced driver, any age can do a Motorway confidence booster or a Pass Plus course. Now, Stephen was 20. Now, his insurance on his lovely new little Peugeot was £2,450, which, to be fair, isn't terrible, fully comp. Whether or not he used the Pass Plus to get a discount, I'm not sure, because I think he got the car insured before he took the Pass Plus. But in a lot of the cases, a lot of insurance companies will offer a discount for Pass Plus, so it's a good benefit. Most important thing about Pass Plus is you gain experience on different types of roads, ones you wouldn't have maybe not driven on before your test or after your test. So it's very, very important. Ideally, it's great if you've got your own vehicle. We can do it in that, or we can do it in one of ours. The thing is, we do a bit of rural driving, town driving, all-weather driving when possible. The most important thing we emphasise is country lanes, faster roads, dual carriageways, motorways. That is where the practice and the skill will come in time. A lot of people often don't go on motorways, so that's why it's very, very important to do a Pass Plus course or a Motorway course, confidence booster, just to gain confidence. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Congratulations to Stephen, who passed his Pass Plus successfully, and good luck to him with his new car. Stay safe, and if you need any advice, tips, please drop me a line. Pass Plus courses, and of course I'm a specialist in EV and Tesla vehicles. Please like, subscribe, comment, because the more response I get, the more videos I'll make. These videos I make purely with the iPhone 14, don't do anything fancy. It's just 40 years of experience. I like to put my knowledge across to you guys. Thank you for your support, and thanks for watching. Stay safe and safe driving.